एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मी कृष्णा एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे प्लानिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंक्लूसिव क्लासरूम। तो प्लानिंग इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इन अचीविंग the aims and objectives required for education. Planning is a process that determines the future, of course, of action, future course of action to be undertaken all the levels of management. And planning and management assume significance in the context of ensuring quality of education. तो इंक्लूसिव जो क्लासरूम है उसके बारे में हम समझते हैं। Inclusive classroom is general education classroom in which a student with and without disabilities learn together. It is essentially the opposite of special education classroom, and where student with disabilities learns with only student with disability. In inclusive classroom, all students have to right to feel safe, supported and included at school and in regular classroom. यानी इंक्लूसिव जो क्लासरूम है उसका मतलब होता है कि एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल। ठीक है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इंक्लूसिव क्लासरूम, उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक देखते हैं। एक्टिव लर्निंग provides lots of choices and time, special help to student in general classroom, varied and supportive role of teacher, meet expectation for curriculum, development of opportunity for student, and component of inclusive classroom। तो classroom seating arrangement, classroom practice जिसमें collaborative learning, teaching and active based learning, peer tutoring, cooperative learning, multi-level instruction, competition between groups etc. and role of teacher, तो involving student in solve problems, organizing students desk in group, using games designed to build community, teaching student to look for ways to help each other, take break when necessary, focusing on strength of student with special needs, supportive aids and material जिसमें ब्रेली बुक्स फॉर blind students, sign language interprets for deaf students, computer with speech softwares, posters and flip charts assist student in understanding the concept. Planning and management of inclusive education, जिसमें planning and management of inclusive classroom is related to provision and procedure necessary to establish and maintain environment in which instruction and learning can occur. It is about the establishment and maintenance of order, designing effective instruction, dealing with student as a group, responding to the needs of individual student, and effectively handling the discipline and adjustment of student. In service training of educators, so according to Roix and Melia, in service education training refers to instructional programs to provide for continued professional development of educational practitioner during their working years. And according to Monthara, programs aim at upgrading skills and qualification and providing training in new policy direction as the ongoing professional development of teaching practitioners. एंड इसमें क्या होगा कि अर्ली आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ लर्नर्स एंड इंटरवेंशन, यानी कि पहले हमें समझ लेना है कि उनकी जो नीड्स है और वो कैसे लर्नर्स है, स्लो लर्नर है, फिर मीडियम लर्नर और कैसे लर्नर होता है जिनको क्विकली समझ में आ जाते हैं वैसे। फिर टीचिंग स्ट्रेटेजी जिसमें इंडिविजुअलिटी, टोटलिटी, मोटिवेशन, टास्क एनालिसिस, रिडक्शन of subjects matter, emphasis and purposefulness, classrooms organization जिसमें flexible curriculum रहेगा, content, assessment and जो infrastructure है उसमें infrastructure है वो ऐसे रहेगा कि ramps where there are steps, फिर width and positioning of door and doorways, opening and closing speed, arrangement of furniture, classrooms clutters such as game bags, rugs and toys, table, bench and shelf lighting, distraction and specialized classroom with equipment and areas access to areas of schools such as other building, sporting fields, playground, visibility of hazards और ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज एंड इंस्ट्रक्शनल प्रैक्टिस, जिसमें हमें इंश्योर करना है एक्सेस टू एकेडमिक करिकुलर कंटेंट एंड यूनिवर्सल डिज़ाइन फॉर लर्निंग, क्रिएटिंग अ रिस्पेक्टफुल एंड प्रोडक्टिव लर्निंग, एक्टिव लर्निंग स्ट्रेटेजी, फिर करिकुलम एंड करिकुलर अडेप्टेशन फॉर डाइवर्स लर्नर। तो उसमें क्या रहेगा कि हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट, फिर लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी, इमोशनल डिसेबिलिटी, अटेंशन डिफिसिट, हाइपर एक्टिव डिसऑर्डर एंड ये सारी चीज़ें रहेंगी। और जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो है उसमें हम असिस्टिव एंड अडेप्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर डाइवर्स लर्नर है, उसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे। तो आई विल एंड दिस वीडियो हियर। बाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग एवरीवन।